celebrating our, of course, Thanksgiving para sa buong taon ng 2024. Also, expect na marami tayong mga awards and meron tayong good news mamaya. Guys, nako, excited na ba kayo para sa ating bagong app? Nako, i-announce na yan mamaya. At syempre, sobrang dami nating mga a-awardan, mga mare-recognize at baka i-announce na rin ang ating next travel incentive. So watch out for that, guys! See you!
Happy year-end party!
Happy year-end party!
This business gives me hope. It has made me realize that I am worth more than what I am now.
Yung good news ko dun, yung 30,000 na gross sales, wala pa akong pinalabas na pera, is to market the business, and then I work na po bahala yung mag-pack at mag-deliver ng produkto papunta sa customer mo.
Miss Ruth Subaan!
For the income ng 30,000 pesos in just 1 week.
Our top 1 satellite center!
Ana, galing, Tali. Romaline Berman.
So thankful for the mission vision of the company. It's the same vision that I have. Maganda talaga yung mission vision ng chairman for the company itself. But I'm aiming for more than that. If we can go beyond that, why not? Diba? The benefit is our chairman!
The moment you decide to be part of this is pasok ka sa qualification. Why? Kasi madami mga tao na dapat pwede pumunta ngayon, pero wala sila.
Yes!
Pero ikaw nandyan, nakaupo.
Yeah!
Tama? Kaya namin tinayo yung iWork because we want to other people to experience the changes nangyari sa buhay namin mag-asawa. I learned how to dream big. Some people wasting their time simply because they don't know kung ano gusto nila puntahan. Madami tapos ako kahit matagal, pero tapos ako. Madami tapos, lahat kapos. Kung ikaw personally, hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, hindi mo makuha yan. Maganda nun, pag 100% naniniwala ka, 100% alam niyayaman ka, kasi regardless kung may iWork kasi ang tinatanong ikaw, kasi yung iWork, ano yan vehicle yan sasakyan yan, sasakay ka, para may license ka, para yumaman. Guys, ang pinaka-importante, you are standing. Kasi once you standing, di ba, and believing na may mangyayari, the system is already there. And habang wala kang ginagawa, walang pagbabago sa ginagawa mo, don't expect may magbabago. Tandaan nyo, be courageous. Kasi ang pagiging successful, hindi biro. Pagiging may pera, Hindi biro. It will take a lot of responsibility. Pero alam mo, being responsible, you can learn have this ability. Kaya responsibility is ability to respond in any situation na mangyayari sa iyo. People spend time doing things na hindi nagiging constructive. Ngayon kung hindi ka naman kumikita, nasa iWork ka pa, okay lang. Bakit? Madami mga tao, wala pang opportunity. Madami mga tao, hindi pa nila alam sa kukunin income. Ikaw nandito na. At least you're doing something, a first baby step na nag-decide ka to do something about yourself. And that is what you call change. Tama mali? Tama?